today I am doing a Dollar Tree challenge. I was challenged by Diva Decorating to do the $5 haul tag challenge. So basically, I had to go to Dollar Tree, find 5 things, and then I have to come back, do a haul on it, show you guys the 5 things in 5 minutes. Also, tag 5 other ladies to do the same. So, with that being said, I'm going to hurry up and welcome you guys to my channel. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, and I hope that you stick around and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back and showing me some love, and I hope that you continue to do so. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my little 5 items, y'all, because you know I like to talk. And right now, I only got like four minutes left. So, the first thing that I got was this. This is a new type of face shield that they have at Dollar Tree. Now, I wish I had time to open this up and show you guys exactly what it looks like, but this is actually what it's supposed to look like, and this is the lady. She has it on right here. So that's my first item. I did get 2 of these, so I'm considering that one. And then also recently my son just gave me his iPhone 7. It's basically brand new because my kids take care of their phones. I am not an iPhone person, which is why I will not buy one, but since he gave it to me, which I'm filming on now, I decided to get it, and I'm going to take care of it. I just bought a little Dollar Tree cell phone case. Hey, if it fits, get it. And then also they have these earbuds cases. This is for on the go earbuds cases. So I got 2 of these as well. I'm considering it as one. And I don't have any earbuds. My son do. So I got one for him, but I can always just put my regular little earphones in here. So I did get 2 of those. And then also I did mention in a previous haul about Dollar Tree having the no-touch keys. Now I hauled my last Target haul. I did show you guys that Target actually has those in the dollar spot area, and they also have them throughout the store, but the ones throughout the store cost more than $1. The ones in the dollar spot is $1, and Dollar Tree does have them as well. So this is the ones at Dollar Tree. So I did pick up I think 1 of these. So that's gonna be my item number 4. And then last but not least, y'all, when I seen this, I knew exactly what I wanted to do with this, so I just got it. They have these new hexagon planters. So I just bought another plant that's going in my newly decorated or renovated kitchen. So I am going to do a DIY with this planter and put that new plant inside of there. Okay, so that is my item number 5. And then now I am going to tag some lovely ladies. So I am tagging Kim with a Y, with Kim at Home. I'm tagging O from I put the O in mom. Yes, ladies, y'all are tagged to do this challenge. And then also Jasmine from the Mom Aesthetic. You are tagged to do this challenge. And Daphne from Daphne's Homescape. You are tagged for this challenge. And last but not least, Miss Cindy from Z9 Designs. You are tagged as well. If you guys don't know what you need to do, feel free to let me know or send me a DM because you all follow me on Instagram. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with you all in the next video. Bye.